Okay, you found it. It's our #1 selling meat in the entire product line is our canned beef. Now, 2 different size cans. This one is the 28 ounce. It's gonna give you 9 3-ounce servings. Most companies tell you a serving's 2 ounces. We don't believe that, it's 3 ounces, okay? The other one is our 14.5 ounce can like this. Now there's only 2 ingredients in this can. It's beef and a trace amount of salt. They're low sodium, they're low fat, they're low cholesterol, and most importantly, they're just delicious, okay? You're gonna love this. Now, let's talk about what you can do with these canned meats. Because they're already cooked, all you gotta do is open them up and apply a recipe, which probably takes you just a couple minutes. Our canned beef really has a never-ending buffet of delicious meals. It's just ready to transform into mouth-watering dishes, really with minimal effort. Imagine whipping up a robust beef stew, brimming with tender chunks of beef, potatoes, carrots, put whatever you want in there. It's perfect for a comforting dinner. Or picture a classic beef stroganoff over a bed of steaming noodles, bringing a taste of home-style cooking to your table in just minutes. Now, for a twist, consider a hearty beef taco filling, spiced to perfection, ready to stuff into soft tortillas with your favorite toppings. Lastly, a savory shepherd's pie and layers of succulent beef, vegetables, and creamy mashed potatoes. Well, it could be the ultimate comfort food. Now, I want you to explore these recipes and more, revealing the convenience and quality of our canned beef. Grab them now, put them in your shopping cart. When you get them, pop them open. Let me know what you think. Drop me a line. I know you're gonna love it. Thank you for checking them out.